The 22 LR revolver is one of the most underrated guns in the entire revolver world. People look at it and think, small caliber, low recoil, cheap ammo, it must be just a beginner gun. But that is where they get it wrong. A good 22 LR revolver is not just for beginners, it is for training, it is for plinking, it is for teaching trigger control, it is for small game use where legal, and for many shooters it is simply the most fun revolver they will ever own. Because here's the truth, you can shoot more, spend less, build better habits, and enjoy the range longer with a good 22 revolver than with almost anything else. So today, we're looking at the top 15 best 22 LR revolvers worth knowing about. Not hype, not fantasy picks, real revolvers that make sense for real shooters. Now, 22 LR revolvers are not all the same. Some are cheap and simple, some are premium target guns, some are single-action cowboy-style revolvers, some are double-action trainers that feel close to center-fire revolvers. And that matters, because the best 22 revolver for a new shooter may not be the best one for a collector. The best one for fun may not be the best one for precision. So instead of pretending one gun fits everyone, we're going to look at what each revolver actually does well. Number 15, Heritage Rough Rider. The Heritage Rough Rider is one of the most popular budget 22 revolvers ever made. And the reason is simple. It gives shooters the classic single-action revolver experience without a high price. You load it slowly. You cock the hammer manually. You shoot with a simple old-school rhythm. It is not fancy, and it is not the most refined revolver on this list. But for plinking, casual range fun, and learning single-action basics, it is hard to ignore. The Rough Rider line is officially chambered in 22 LR, and Heritage's manual identifies Rough Rider small-bore revolvers in 22 LR. Number 14, Ruger Wrangler. The Ruger Wrangler is what happens when Ruger takes the budget single-action idea and builds it with their usual focus on durability. It is simple, affordable, and built for fun. The trigger is basic but usable. The sights are simple. The recoil is almost nothing. This is the revolver you buy when you want something tough enough for regular range use without spending premium money. It is not a precision target revolver, but for learning, teaching, and cheap practice, the Wrangler is one of the smartest buys in the 22 revolver category. Ruger introduced the Wrangler as an affordable 22 LR single-action revolver built on the company's single-action rimfire tradition. Number 13, Ruger Super Wrangler. The Super Wrangler improves on the basic Wrangler by adding features many shooters wanted. The biggest advantage is adjustable sights. That matters because fixed sights can be limiting, especially when different 22 LR loads hit to different points of impact. With adjustable sights, the shooter gets more control. It also keeps the fun, rugged, low-cost feel of the Wrangler while giving it a more useful setup. If you want a budget single-action 22 but want better sights, the Super Wrangler makes a lot of sense. Number 12, Ruger Single 6. The Ruger Single 6 is a classic. For decades, it has been one of the most trusted single-action 22 revolvers. It costs more than the Wrangler, but it also feels more refined. Better finish, better balance, better long-term reputation. The Single 6 is the kind of revolver people buy once and keep for years. It is excellent for plinking, field use, and teaching new shooters. If the Wrangler is the budget choice, the Single 6 is the long-term classic. Number 11, Ruger Single 10. The Ruger Single 10 takes the Single 6 idea and adds more capacity. 10 rounds of 22 LR in a single-action revolver changes the pace. You spend more time shooting and less time loading. It also gives you adjustable sights and solid Ruger construction. The trade-off is price. It is not the cheapest 22 revolver. But if you want a high-quality single-action rimfire with extra capacity, the Single 10 is one of the best choices. Number 10, Smith & Wesson Model 617. The Smith & Wesson Model 617 is one of the best double-action 22 LR revolvers ever made. It is built like a serious revolver, not a toy. Stainless steel construction, excellent accuracy potential, smooth double-action feel. This is the revolver many shooters use when they want a 22 LR trainer that feels closer to a centerfire Smith & Wesson. The Model 610 is available as a 22 LR revolver, and it is widely recognized as a Smith & Wesson rimfire double-action platform. Number 9. Smith & Wesson Model 63. The Model 63 is basically the smaller, lighter rimfire revolver many shooters want for practical use. It is compact, stainless, and easier to carry around than larger target-style revolvers. It is not as easy to shoot precisely as a heavier revolver like the 617 because lighter guns move more in the hand. But for a handy trail-style .22 revolver, the Model 63 has a lot of appeal. It is small enough to be practical but still built with real quality. Number 8. Smith & Wesson Model 43C. The Model 43C is a lightweight .22 LR revolver designed for easy carry. It is extremely light, simple, and compact. Now here's the truth. A lightweight .22 revolver can be convenient, but the trigger may feel heavier than people expect because rimfire cartridges often need strong primer strikes. That means it is not always as easy to shoot as its low recoil suggests. But for someone who wants a light rimfire revolver for training, carry where legal, or backup style use, the 43C is interesting. Number 7. Ruger LCR 22 LR. The Ruger LCR in .22 LR is one of the most useful small revolver trainers. Why? Because it gives you the LCR platform with cheap low recoil ammunition. The trigger is still double action, which helps build control. The recoil is light, so shooters can focus on technique. And because it is small, it teaches the same kind of discipline required with compact revolvers. The Ruger LCR line includes .22 LR chambering among its variants. Number 6. Colt King Cobra Target 22 LR. The Colt King Cobra Target in .22 LR is one of the most exciting modern rimfire revolvers. It gives you Colt styling, a double-action system, and 10-round capacity. That capacity makes range time more enjoyable. And because it has target-style features, it feels more serious than a basic plinker. Colt added a .22 LR King Cobra target model with 10-shot capacity and 4 25-inch or 6-inch barrel options. Number 5. Diamondback Sidekick. The Diamondback Sidekick is a fun modern take on the old Western-style Sound .22 revolver. It has a swing-out cylinder, which makes loading and unloading faster than traditional single actions. That alone makes it stand out. It gives you the feel of a casual plinker with more convenience. It is not a premium target revolver, but it offers strong, fun value. For shooters who want something affordable but different, the Sidekick is worth looking at. Number 4. Taurus 942. The Taurus 942 gives shooters a compact double action .22 revolver at a more accessible price. It is simple, practical, and useful for low recoil practice. Now, like many rimfire revolvers, the trigger may feel heavier than expected. That is normal because rimfire ignition needs solid impact, but for people who want a compact .22 revolver without spending Smith & Wesson money, the 942 fills an important space. It is not perfect, but it makes sense.